Let's get to our top story, and that is the Supreme Court that's going to resume its hearing in regard to the contempt plea against Punjab's government for not shifting Dhaliwal to a hospital. The Supreme Court on the 28th of this month had given a deadline of the 31st of December to the government of Punjab to persuade Dhaliwal to be shifted to a hospital while expressing dissatisfaction with the compliance report filed by the Chief Secretary of the State of Punjab and the Director General of the Police regarding the hospitalization of farmers' leader Jagjit Singh Dhaliwal. In the affidavit, it has been stated that if the evacuation of Dhaliwal is not peaceful, considering that the farmers are resisting his shifting, there would be collateral damage in terms of the loss of lives and property. Dhaliwal has been on a hunger strike since the 26th of November. It's been 36 days now, and demanding that the union government accept the demands of the farmers, which of course includes the statutory guarantee when it comes to the MSP or the minimum support price for crops. And apart from being a cancer patient, he also suffers from age-related ailments. We have my colleague Gurpreet joining us. Gurpreet, take us through, the deadline's up. Today was a deadline that the Supreme Court had given to the Punjab government in order to convince Dhaliwal to be shifted to the hospital. What is the situation on the ground? Any word on, what will it take to convince him to end his 36 days of fasting?
Well, yes, of course, after the directions from the Supreme Court, we have seen the multiple meetings were being held between the Kisan leaders as well as the government also. But the same time, we have seen all the farmers, they are saying till the time the government is not going to accept their demand, they are not going to withdraw this hunger strike of Kisan Neta Jagjit Singh Dhaliwal. He is still sitting inside. We are reporting from Kanori border. First of all, I'll request my Vijay to show all the ground visual, what is happening at this point of time. We have seen the farmers from Haryana, they had also come, specifically they have come from Hisar also. We will talk to them to understand their reaction on this. We have seen even the Apex Court has given direction to the state government, and the state government held multiple meetings with the farmer leaders, but now they say till the time the state government as well as not conveying these sentiments to the central government so that their demands should be accepted. तो आज सुप्रीम कोर्ट में हेयरिंग है, और हेयरिंग में पहले भी 28 को हेयरिंग में बोला था कि कहीं ना कहीं डल्लेवाल जी को कन्विंस किया जाए, हॉस्पिटलाइज किया जाए, लेकिन हम देख रहे हैं 2 दिन से लगातार पुलिस यहाँ पे मीटिंग कर रही है. तो क्या लगता है कि क्या आगे क्या रणनीति रहेगी, क्या कोई ना कोई हल निकलेगा?
देखिए, हम मानयोग सुप्रीम कोर्ट का सम्मान करते हैं और हम बार बार कह चुके हमारी मांगे जो केंद्र सरकार से हैं. सुप्रीम कोर्ट मध्यस्थता करे वो अच्छी बात है, उनका जो दायित्व है वो अपना निभाएं, लेकिन जो किसानों की मांग है, हम ये नहीं कह रहे कि हमारी सभी गलत मांगे हैं या हमारी जो सारी ठीक मांगे. आप बैठ के विचार कीजिएगा. किसान नेता हैं और सुप्रीम कोर्ट मध्यस्थता करके किसान नेता और सरकारों की एक लाइव प्रसारण करवा दे देश के सामने. पता चल जाएगा सुप्रीम कोर्ट जी को भी कि भाई कौन गलत है कौन ठीक है. और हम बार बार अपील कर चुके हैं. मानयोग सुप्रीम कोर्ट बार बार पंजाब सरकार पर दबाव बना रहा है कि भाई आप डल्लेवाल साहब को 31 तारीख तक हॉस्पिटल में एडमिट करवाइएगा. हम सुप्रीम कोर्ट से, मानयोग सुप्रीम कोर्ट, हम उनका सम्मान करते, सारा देश सम्मान करता, वो देश की सर्वोच्च न्याय व्यवस्था है. हम उनसे एक अपील कर रहे हैं कि भाई जो देश के किसानों की मांग है ना, वो किसानों की अपनी मांग नहीं है, वो किसानों की वो मांगे हैं जो अलग अलग समय पे अलग अलग जगह पे देश के किसानों से वायदे किए गए थे, तो उनका पूरा कर दो.
सुप्रीम कोर्ट ने 2-3 बार जो डल्लेवाल साहब की हेल्थ है उसके लेके काफी चिंता जताई है, और स्टेट गवर्नमेंट को भी तभी कहा है कि कहीं ना कहीं कोई मेडिकल हेल्प देनी चाहिए. तो इस बात को कैसे देखते हैं?
देखिए, सुप्रीम कोर्ट ने कहा कि हमारी प्राथमिकता सरदार जगजीत सिंह डल्लेवाल जी की जान बचाने की है, लेकिन सरदार जगजीत सिंह डल्लेवाल जी ने उसके ऊपर अपनी क्या प्रतिक्रिया दी कि मेरी जान से ज्यादा कीमती उन लोगों की जान थी जो 25 लाख लोग इस देश में आत्महत्या, जो इस देश के किसान आत्महत्या करके जा चुके हैं. हर एक 48 मिनट में एक किसान आत्महत्या कर रहा है. मेरी जान से ज्यादा जान बचाने की प्राथमिकता उन लोगों की है जो सरकार की गलत नीतियों की वजह से, अपनी फसलों के भाव न मिलने की वजह से, जो कर्जदारी की वजह से आत्महत्या कर रहे हैं. तो मेरी जान से कहीं ज्यादा उन लोगों की जान जरूरी है. इसलिए सरदार जगजीत सिंह डल्लेवाल की प्राथमिकता यही है कि भले ही मेरी जान चली जाए, लेकिन मैं इस देश के किसानों की जो अधूरी आजादी है उसको पूरा करवाने में अगर अपना बलिदान देना पड़ा तो उसके लिए तैयार, और उसके लिए भरसक प्रयास करूंगा.
तो आपको क्या लगता है कि लगातार ये प्रोटेस्ट चल रहा है, हंगर स्ट्राइक चल रही है, आज सुप्रीम कोर्ट में दोबारा हेयरिंग होगी, तो क्या लगता है क्या
सुप्रीम कोर्ट ਨੂੰ ਡੱਲੇਵਾਲ ਸਾਹਿਬ ਨੇ ਜਵਾਬ ਦੇ ਦਿਆ ਹੈ. ਉਹ ਕਹਿੰਦਾ ਵੀ ਹਮਾਰੀ ਇੱਕ अकेले बंदे ਦੀ ਜਾਨ की दूजा ना ਤੁਸੀਂ सोचो, जो पूरे भारत के किसान की सोचो. वो कहता 7.5 लाख किसान दूजा एक ਗਲਤ ਸਰਕਾਰ ਦੀ ਗਲਤ ਨੀਤੀਆਂ ਕਾਰਨ ਖੁਦਕੁਸ਼ੀ ਕਰ ਗਿਆ ਤੇ ਵੀ ਉਹ ਸਾਡੇ ਸਾਥ तो हो गया लाख और ना किसी का बच्चा मरे हम आपकी बलि दे देंगे सरकार साड़ी एम्बेसी मन्ने जे हम उठेंगे नहीं कुछ खाएंगे नहीं जब एमएसपी गारंटी देंगे लिखकर उਦੋਂ चुकेंगे बहुत ही बात था
Well, a very clear word from the farmers, leaders and farmer supporters. They say till the time the government is not going to accept their demand, they are not going to withdraw this hunger strike, which has already been initiated by Kisan leader Jagjeet Singh Dalewal. That is still being continuing. So let's see what will be happening in the Supreme Court. We have seen Supreme Court had given direction to the state government saying that they should provide medical aid to Kisan leaders, but we have seen multiple times they had come here, they had attempted, they have held talks with the farmer leaders also, but we have to wait and watch what the apex court is going to take all these things, whatever the state government has done so far. Back to studio.
Right, thank you so much, Gurpreet, for joining us with all those details. We also have Nupur Dogra joining us. Nupur, the Supreme Court had, of course, pulled up the Punjab government for allowing the situation to escalate and not complying with its earlier directives to provide medical assistance to Dalewal. But the Punjab government has put its hands up, saying it's completely helpless as it's facing this huge resistance from the protesting farmers.
Well, yes, today some serious trouble is seems to be brewing up for the Punjab government in the court, as court will today at 11 a.m. resume hearing the special hearing that has been organized just for Dalewal's help, just to take cognizance of Dalewal's help. Actually, Supreme Court is currently hearing a contempt of court petition against the Punjab officials, including the Chief Secretary of State and the DGP, for not hospitalizing, for not following through the orders of the Supreme Court to hospitalize Dalewal. So previously the Punjab government has time and again, said that they are trying their best to provide medical aid to Dalewal, but they have been unable to convince him to shift to a hospital. So today again at 11 a.m. the Supreme Court will, through a virtual hearing, again start hearing the case and take cognizance of the matter. And in the last hearing, in fact, the Supreme Court has also said that, in fact, center can also intervene and provide logistical support to the Punjab government if they are unable to handle the situation on ground. So let's see what the court has to say today at 11 a.m.
Right, all eyes on that crucial hearing that's coming up. Thank you so much, Nupur, for joining us with those details.